funny when I think about the months that I could not get out of bed, going back and forth over the letters that I wrote but never sent. Wake up and repeat it, but I was barely sleeping, swimming in the memories and floating in the deep end. How come you're not still in my head? I got, you got, we got too much time on our hands. Used to be so caught up in the things we had planned. I'm not chasing feelings.